Hey guys, Stephen Fillers here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at UnderCover's ArmorFlex truck bed cover. And the ArmorFlex shares many of the same features as the other products in the Flex lineup. This is a low profile, tri-folding hard cover. Looks great, looks very close to the bed rails, so it looks really good and low profile. But the benefit here, the main distinction is in the name ArmorFlex. This is an armor coated cover essentially. And that armor coating is a premium coating that goes over the panels, and that coating is going to prevent any sort of dents, dings, scratches, anything like that from occurring over the lifespan of this vehicle. The panels themselves are also super strong and super durable, so together this is one of the most durable kits on the market today. Now the other thing you will notice, maybe in the video, maybe you won't see it, is that these seals on the right and left hand side, they may not look as seamless and as flush as you like them to, but that's because this just came out of the box. It has some memory from the box. And then when it's all settled out, maybe when you get it out in the sun and the heat a little bit, this is going to level out and look great. So just be aware of that when you get this out of the box. It may not look what you'd expect, but it will, just to give us some time. Now moving on to the operation, again, the benefit here is that I can operate my tailgate whether or not the truck bed cover is closed or open. So that's a great benefit here from UnderCover. But the way to operate this, all I do, open the tailgate first of all, and then on either side, passenger or driver, there's going to be a pull handle that I'll pull up, and that's going to open up the slam latches so I can then begin to operate my cover. Another benefit here to the tri-folding cover is that I can use as little or as much as my bed as I need to. And I can continue to do that. Again, use the pull handle to raise it up another level. And then the final big benefit here to the operation of this cover is that when I stow this in its fully closed position, or fully open position, it actually does not lean against my cab like some other covers do. Rather, I use these included struts, and that's going to hold the cover open at a 90-degree angle, so it's not going to lean against my cab and create any damage over time. Okay, so onto the installation. The install is super simple to do. All you really have to do is install the rails with a few included clamps, and that is super simple to do. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this maybe a 2 of 10. You can do this on your own with some basic hand tools, and give yourself maybe 15 minutes to do. The only reason I give this a 2 is because the tonneau cover, or the truck bed cover, is a little bit wide, a little bit heavy, so maybe good to have a buddy on hand to make this that much easier. Alright guys, that's a wrap on UnderCover's ArmorFlex truck bed cover. Now this is covered by a 5-year warranty and is made in the USA, so if anything does happen to go wrong in that window, UnderCover has you more than covered. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you just want more details about the cover, check in the description. We'll have a part number there and a dealer locator so you can find the ArmorFlex at a dealer near you. If you liked the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.